Plus I have my hands full. I've got my umbrella in one hand, the dye in the other. Gotta get my wallet out. It's gonna be a whole experience. Hey friends, it's Saturday, April 27th. The time is 3:35 p.m. and the temperature is 13 degrees Celsius. Turn you around as I struggle there. I'm here at Queen and Bay, and for this walk, I think we'll head to RioCan Hall. I have an errand to run at the Michaels there, and so I figured it would be fun to take you guys along with me. And as you can see at the start of the video there, I got a new umbrella. I actually just bought it at Hudson's Bay, just to the left here, a couple minutes ago actually. And it's the Fulton brand, which is supposed to have good reviews. It was on sale for Bay Days, so hopefully it will be able to withstand all of my walking and when it gets really windy. If you're familiar with my umbrella saga, I haven't had the best luck with umbrellas. They've been going inside out and it's just been kind of a disaster, so my hopes aren't set high for this umbrella, but we'll see. Maybe it'll exceed my expectations. This is Richmond and Bay. You can see there's quite a bit of traffic. And we've got some buses here, the 501B, Queen to Broadview and Gerrard, making its way. And we also have some light rain happening right now, but it is supposed to stop shortly after 3:30 here, so we'll see if that's true.
For real?
Make our way across here. There's another 501B bus. So RioCan Hall, I'm not sure how much time that building has left. I hear that they're going to tear it down and build condos, which is too bad because it really is a sight to see. And you'll see when we get there, you'll see what I mean. But it's really too bad that they're going to ruin that building. It's kind of an iconic building in the city. It also has a movie theater in it, a Cineplex, I believe. I've never actually been inside the theater. Quite a lot of traffic here as well on Richmond Street West. And it's pretty lively in the city tonight. We have the Blue Jays playing. That game has already started. I think it started shortly after 3. And we also have the Leafs versus the Bruins. Game 4 tonight at 8 p.m. So go Leafs go and go Jays go. I believe Boston is leading the series 2-1, so hopefully the Leafs can tie it up tonight. I also hear Nylander is back tonight, so hopefully that helps the Leafs out quite a bit. I think they've been missing him the past couple of games, but Austin Matthews seems to be carrying them through. I was reading that he had quite the game. I think it might have been a couple games ago. I didn't get a chance to catch the last couple of games. And I think for this one I'll be live streaming, so hopefully I'll receive updates. There's Chef's Hall to the left there. Looks quite busy. And we've also got the Sheraton Hotel here to the right. And we're coming up to York Street in Richmond. Oh, look at that, a walk signal. I wasn't going to buy an umbrella. I thought I could just do without, but I worry about my equipment in this weather. So I thought, I'm going to need it anyways. Might as well take advantage of the sale. We've got the Hilton up ahead there to the left. This restaurant looks neat. Rosalinda. That name is from somewhere. Rosalinda. I think I watched the show and her name was Rosalinda. I don't really remember. Or maybe I'm getting it confused with Griselda. They're both pretty similar. I'm actually getting quite hot as we walk here. I have a couple layers on because I didn't want to bring out my winter coat. I'm done with bringing out my winter coat. So I layered up and wore the trench coat today. But now I'm quite hot. I'll have to take off a sweater before the live stream. But I'd rather it be like that. You just layer up and take off a layer. This is University in Richmond. We've got the Shangri-La off to the left there. And further north up University is called, known as rather, Hospital Row. It's home to many of Toronto's hospitals. We've also got the Canada Life building. And this light can be tricky to get across. It's a 2-stage crossing. So let's see. Usually I don't have a problem making it all the way across. Funny thing about this umbrella that we're going to test out when I go into Michaels is it's automatic open and close. I've never had an umbrella like that before. So apparently you don't have to force it shut, you just press a button and it closes itself. Another feature we'll see if it holds up. I think the last time I went across Richmond Street here was at night. I did a night walk. There's a couple of Toronto police cars going by here at Simcoe Street. Richmond Street looks a lot different during the day. Some construction for the Ontario line to our right there. Something that they do have is a pretty good bike lane on the right side at least. Oh, this is a one-way street. I looked to the other side and I thought, why don't they have a bike lane? And then I saw all of the cars going one way. So we've got a few more streets here and then we'll be coming to John Street. You can already kind of make out RioCan Hall off in the distance. So I need to pick up some dye. I'm dyeing a bodysuit rather, that I got from Zara. And it's pure white and I want to dye it an off-white color, almost like a beige. So we're going to pick up some Rit dye at Michaels. And I'm going to attempt to dye that garment a different color. We'll see if it works out. I tend to like these videos where I can bring you along with me when I'm running an errand. It just adds an element of interest. That's a cool building. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up. It's a WeWork building, but I like the walls in there. This is Duncan Street. There's iHeartRadio and Chum 104.5 ahead of us here. Forever waiting on the lights. There we go. I'm undecided if I should close my umbrella or not yet. But that will be nice to do the stream and not have to fumble with my umbrella. It's always a struggle. Even filming this video for the opening shot, you really need both hands when you're filming. The 5th Social Club. Those look like some sponsors. Rendezvous? That place is called. It's quite colorful. And up ahead here, you can see RioCan Hall. And you've got Scotiabank Theatre. So maybe it isn't a Cineplex. I always thought it was a Cineplex. Now we might run into some music here along John Street. It's usually pretty hoppin' with the copyright music, but that's okay. Is it an IMAX theater? Oh, I guess it's an IMAX. No, it is Cineplex. There we go. Confusing. To figure out what kind of theater it is. I kind of want to get an opening or an upward shot rather. There it is. So you can see why it's a shame that they're going to demolish that. This is John and Richmond. And I already see the Michaels up ahead there. So let's cross over. Try to recenter the camera here. Maybe now is a good time to close up my umbrella. Let's see. Don't want to hit anybody here. Is it gonna do it? Wow, look at that. And then you just pull the extended pull there. Let's see. There we go. All right, I think we're all set. Kind of tuck it under my armpit there. All right, let's head into Michael's. Where do we get in here? I guess this door looks as good as any. Here we are inside Michael's. Now I wonder where, I didn't think this through, that my shoes will be squeaky. Sorry about that. Looks like it's paints. I don't think that's dye. I might have to go upstairs. This looks to be all of frames and such. All right, let's head upstairs. Again, don't mind my squeaky New Balances. There's not much I can do about that. Looks like it's some fabrics up here. And more canvases. This is quite a big Michael's. I've never been inside here. Oh, my shoes are even annoying me, so I don't blame you if you're annoyed too. All right, up the escalator again to the 3rd level. Where are you? Rit Dye. Oh, that's quite a noisy escalator. All right, let's see here. Try to get our bearings. Got some fake flowers. We got some music as well, but that's okay, like I said. I'll just throw my own over it. I'm learning. When in doubt, just throw your music over it. Okay. Let's see. Not in that aisle. Rainy day activities. That would be perfect for today. Oh, I see t-shirts over there. Perhaps we're on the right track. Oh, I see Rit Dye. Okay. So today they have buy one, get one 50% off. I wonder if that applies to the dye. I think I'm looking for lemon yellow. Don't mind my umbrella here. I try to grab what I need to. I think lemon yellow, and I believe it was tan. Tan down here. Okay, these are quite big bottles actually. I don't think I need, well, I guess I do need these ones. I thought maybe they'd have boxes there, but it doesn't appear so. Okay, I think that's it. We're ready to check out. Hopefully I got the right color. I'm mixing two dyes to get sort of an off-white color. So hopefully it works out. Simple enough. Okay. I'm kind of nervous to go to the checkout. I'm not sure if they'll catch on that I'm filming or not. Plus I have my hands full. I've got my umbrella in one hand, the dye in the other. Gotta get my wallet out. It's gonna be a whole experience. Hopefully we can pull it off here. Back down we go. Looks like they have some self-checkout to the left there, so that's good. I can just set my stuff down in peace and not really bother the sales associates. I say that now, but probably I'm going to run into some sort of issue here. Okay, let's head to the checkout. To that child having a tantrum, I can relate, having a daughter of my own. I'm gonna go to the self-checkout actually. Okay. Let's see here. I can just get my bearings here. Tap here to begin. Okay. Am I a rewards customer? I am. Just gonna pan away here. Okay, let's see. Did it recognize me? I'm not sure. Okay. Let's see. Coupons. I do have a coupon code. Let me see here. Just if I can pull out my phone. Maybe I'll set you guys down for a second. Okay, let's see. Coupon. Yes, I am. Do I just scan it? Okay, perfect. Oh, great. Thank you so much. Okay. I feel for these people behind me. This has been me a couple of times. All right, now we have to get the wallet out here. Guess I won't show you that. Okay. printing the receipt, and away we go. Gather all of my belongings here as I run out of hands. And how do we get out here? Should we get out where we came? I guess we'll get out this way. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this walk. Walking with me to RioCan Hall to pick out some dye for my bodysuits. I'll be sure to let you know how it turns out. Feel free to give this video a like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts. I also have an Instagram account and a Twitter. Oh, it looks like the sun's trying to make its way out. It's Walks with Tshods. Feel free to follow me there as well. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.